In a world where we often chase fleeting rewards, there lies a timeless tale of wisdom and true wealth. Join us as we journey to a village, where a humble carpenter named Jacob discovers that the greatest treasures are not found in what we take, but in what we give and preserve. This is the story of the carpenter and the tree. In a quaint village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a skilled carpenter named Jacob. Jacob was known for his craftsmanship and his ability to create beautiful furniture from wood. He had a special talent for turning ordinary pieces of wood into extraordinary works of art. One day, as Jacob was walking through the forest searching for the perfect wood, he came across a massive old tree. Its branches reached high into the sky, and its trunk was thick and sturdy. Jacob knew this tree would provide excellent wood for his projects. He took out his axe and was about to chop down the tree when he heard a soft voice. "Please do not cut me down," the tree pleaded. Jacob was startled. He had never heard a tree speak before. "Why shouldn't I cut you down?" he asked. The tree replied, "I have stood here for many years, providing shade, shelter, and beauty to this forest. I have witnessed countless seasons, and many creatures call me home. If you spare me, I will show you something truly valuable." Jacob was intrigued. He put down his axe and agreed to spare the tree. The tree then told him, "Return to this spot tomorrow at sunrise. You will see." The next morning, Jacob returned to the tree as promised. As the first rays of the sun touched the tree, something magical happened. The tree's bark began to shimmer, and slowly, it revealed a hidden door. Jacob cautiously opened the door and found a spiral staircase leading down into the earth. Curiosity getting the better of him, he descended the stairs. At the bottom, he discovered a vast underground chamber filled with glowing crystals and treasures beyond his wildest dreams. The tree's voice echoed in the chamber, "This is my gift to you for sparing me. True wealth lies not in taking, but in giving and preserving life." Jacob was amazed. He realized that by sparing the tree, he had gained something far more valuable than wood. He took a few crystals and treasures, enough to help his village, and returned to the surface. From that day on, Jacob became a protector of the forest. He shared the treasures with his fellow villagers, and they all prospered. He also planted new trees and encouraged others to do the same. The village flourished, and the forest grew even more vibrant and alive. Jacob's reputation as a wise and kind carpenter spread far and wide. People came from distant lands to learn from him, and he always shared the story of the tree. He would say, "In our quest for success, we must remember that true wealth comes from respecting and preserving the world around us. By giving life, we receive life's greatest treasures." Years later, when Jacob was an old man, he would often sit by the tree, now surrounded by a thriving forest. He would smile, knowing that his legacy was not just in the furniture he created, but in the life he helped nurture. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this story and found it inspiring, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest motivational stories and wisdom-filled content. See you in the next video.